Okay, so this has been going on. This app has been going on since pre-planning. Miss Reyes even tried to help me, and we were connected to the VPN, the network cable, and everything. When I try to do it this way, it takes me to the old login, and it will do this. It'll just spin and spin and spin and spin, and I'm not even sure if it's going to come up. But then when Mr. Walford tried to help me last Friday, I think it was, he said just type in CTLS teach and then go here. And I try to do that, and it just spins and spins and won't do anything. So then I try to close out of these tabs and log into the Cobb County VPN to try to access it that way, not knowing if that'll make a difference or not, but and it takes me to the old site.